sus manos, piernas y pies dentro de esta linda oruguita. Y por favor, cuidar muy bien a sus oruguitas.
Mackie, drive safe up there.
My stomach is so empty.
Drive safe.
Hey, help me to go find something to eat. Come on, everybody, here we go. I see a big carrot. Do you like carrots? Mama says that I have to eat all my vegetables if I want to have
To thrill ride.
I have to eat lots of fruit if I want to grow up to be a beautiful butterfly. You smell what I smell? That's watermelon.
That was water.
Oh, taste that. Oh, smell that delicious watermelon. Haha, there's a fork in the road. Which way to go?
Yeah, Brussels sprouts. I'm glad we didn't go that way.
It smells so yummy in here. I can get almost taste the animal breakfast calling me. Come here, little Heimlich. We're waiting for you to eat us. Yummy. Oh, there's so many goodies. Treats and sweets are my favorite things to eat, yeah. Mama always says to say, excuse me. Excuse me. Candy corn! I must be in Heimlich heaven!
We're already coming
Oh, I'm so full, I cannot go one more step. Please, everybody, just stay seated while I stop and take a little break and digest all this food. I'll be back on my way in just a moment.
Good job.
Come on, everybody, here we go.
They're driving okay. Yeah.
I'm going to drop you off so I can go back for seconds. Goodbye, my friends. Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. Come back again and visit me.